really good racing, very competitive, and the boats are really nice to sail on the race course. It's completely different to what we do on the Extreme 40, and yeah, you need a bit more time, and then I think it's fine then.
Bit of a deep mode. Okay, deploy when ready. Go guys, go hard. Sail!
A really good job on the boat. I think we would have deserved some more places in the top 5, but yeah, in the end it was going better and better every day. For the moment we have the Extreme 40 and the Red Bull Youth Americas Cup on, so a lot to do. But yeah, for the time after this, I think it would be nice to have such a circuit going on, and this racing, I think it's really perfect.